The FIMCO 530188845 ATV Spreader is designed to efficiently distribute a variety of dry materials, including seed, fertilizer, and ice melt, making it a versatile tool for any garden or yard. With a spacious 2.2 cubic foot polymer hopper, this spreader can hold up to 145 pounds of material, allowing for extended use without frequent refills. Its adjustable slide gate offers precise control over the material flow rate, ensuring an even distribution tailored to your specific needs. The stainless steel radial 6-blade fan is expertly crafted to provide accurate and consistent spreading over a customizable width ranging from 5 feet to 45 feet. Equipped with a 12-volt motor and variable speed control, the spreader allows for easy adjustment of the spread width to suit different tasks and preferences. The inclusion of a water-resistant rain cover helps protect the contents from moisture, preventing clumping and ensuring optimal performance in various weather conditions.